Hi, my name is Indresh. I am from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in B.SC background. After my completion of graduation, I came to Hyderabad for upskilling for my IT industry. Upskilling for IT industry. I took training in Jspiders, Punjagutta. There I learned Java, Web Technologies and React.js. And Java I learned through Vivek sir and Kaushik sir. Web technology taught by Geeta madam and Reshma madam. I got placed because of Jspiders in Punjagutta. They helped me a lot for grooming sections. While we are going to interviews, they will conduct grooming sections. They groom how to behave in office, and they will to tell. And HRs are very help to got placed. Mainly is grooming sessions will pay a lot, and HRs they give nearly 10 to 12 requirements for me. I got placed in